With a Morphe eye brush and the color Spur from the Urban Decay Wild West palette, I'm applying that above my crease, slowly building up the color and blending up the edges, starting in the center and slowly blending towards the inner and outer corner. I'm using little windshield wiper motions and little circular motions to buff out the edges. Next, I'm creating a V shape in the outer corner by following the upward slope of my lower lash line and then connecting it with the crease area color, and just creating a little triangle, using little circular motions on the edges. Next, with a small pencil brush from Morphe and the shade Whiskey from the Urban Decay Wild West palette, I'm applying that in the outer corner in a V shape, slowly building up the color, and then slightly feathering it in towards the inner corner about halfway. Once I have a V shape drawn on, I'm going to go ahead and start blending it into our transition shade. I'm using feathering and sweeping motions to blend it out. Here I'm just kind of feathering it towards the inner corner to add depth, dragging it in onto the lid a little bit, being sure to follow that triangle. As you blend it out, some of the color might fade, so I'm just going back in with a little bit more color to add some more depth. With the color Ghost Town in a flat shader brush from the craft store, I'm applying that to my lower lash line, bringing it from the inner corner to the outer corner. Next, I'm dipping into the shade Spur, and then blending out the bottom edge of the previous brown that we just applied on the lower lash line to kind of fade it out, and then sweeping it into the outer corner. Next, with Hold'em, I'm applying that all over the lid with a flat shader brush again from the craft store. Just kind of packing on the color and sweeping it out, kind of bringing it into the front crease a little bit, and then blending it into that brown shade in the outer corner. Next, with a flat shader brush again in the color Text, I am applying that to my lash line, making it thicker in the outer corner and thinner towards the inner corner, and then just going to buff out the top edge of that line that we're kind of packing on with the green, blending it into the gold and outer corner. With that same color and a pencil brush, I'm creating a V shape in the outer corner, adding a little bit of depth with this green, blending into that dark brown, just bringing a little bit of color to the outer corner. Using little circular motions, going back in with a fluffy brush and just blending everything out. With the color Pony Up, I'm just adding a little bit of depth in the outer corner on the lower lash line and outer corner, blending into the green, just to add some more dimension. Using the color Standoff and a ColourPop flat little shader brush, I'm applying that to the inner corner and then buffing out the edges using little feathering motions. I'm drawing on an inner corner wing with the glitter liner and Liquid Money from Hard Candy Cosmetics, and drawing on a regular black wing on the lash line with the Charlotte Tilbury Panther Feline Flick liner. Here I'm just going back in with a little bit more of that green because I did cover a lot of it with the black liner. I just wanted to kind of peek through a little bit on the top. Adding mascara using the Caviar Volume Mascara from Laura Mercier, adding false lashes, and then going in with a little bit of brown liner. That completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the look. Be sure to tap the like button and the subscribe button if you did enjoy. And I have linked everything I used down below. Please note some of them are affiliate links, but let me know if you have any questions, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!